What if you could build one AI system one time and then sell that exact same system to every local business across the globe? Dentists, salons, real estate agents, med spas, chiropractors, roofers, plumbers, every single one of them paying you $299 a month for the same system you built once. And that is the business model I'm going to show you today. And I'm going to walk you through the exact setup so that by the end of this video, you will have a working AI voice agent you can demo to any small business owner. Even if you have zero technical background, zero coding knowledge, and zero clients right now. So I have trained over 80,000 learners in AI. I have built EvolvxAI, my own AI platform for local businesses here in Dubai, serving the world. And the number one thing I see working right now for beginners, and I mean total beginners, is this exact model. So let's get into it. Starting with why local businesses. So before I show you the tech, I want to make sure you understand why local businesses are the best possible clients for this. Now these business owners, your dentist, your salon owner, the guy who runs the plumbing company, they don't need some massive complicated AI infrastructure. Neither do they need a custom built agent or enterprise software. They need three things. They need to stop missing calls, because every missed call is a missed booking. A dentist missing 5 calls a week at $200 per appointment, that's money walking out of the door. Now they need to follow up with leads faster. Studies show if you don't respond to a lead within 5 minutes, your chances of converting them drops by 80%. Now, most small businesses take hours, sometimes days, and they need to book appointments without lifting a finger. Automating their booking process means more revenue with less admin work. And that's it. These are not complicated problems. And the beauty of this business model is that we can solve all three of them using one simple system and charge a recurring monthly fee for it. So when I was building EvolvxAI and first approaching small business owners here in Dubai and in the US, I kept the pitch simple. I can make sure you never miss a lead again and have appointments booking themselves while you sleep. And that's it. That's all they needed to hear. The build once, sell many model. What is this? So here is why this model is so powerful. The first time you set this up for a client, it might take you a few hours. The second time, half of that. And by the fifth client, you have got a system so dialed in, you can have a new client fully set up in under an hour. And because local businesses in the same niche have the same problems, a dental clinic in Miami has the same lead follow-up issues as a dental clinic in London. The system you build for one is basically a template for the next. And that is the compounding effect I teach inside AI Agency Made Easy. Pick one niche, build the system once, and roll it out to client after client after client. 10 clients at $299 a month, that's $3,000 a month in recurring revenue. 20 clients, that's $6,000. 50 clients, do the math. And before you say, I am not technical enough for this, I need you to hold that thought, because I am about to show you how simple this setup actually is. And if you can copy and paste, you can literally do this. Now the tool, what we are using. The tool I use for this and what I power a big part of EvolvxAI on is GoHighLevel, and it is an all-in-one business automation platform, and it has one of the most powerful AI agent builders I have seen at this price point. But what can you build inside GoHighLevel? Let me tell you. AI voice agents. Now these answer phone calls, qualify leads, collect information and book appointments automatically 24 by 7. AI chat agents. Now, these sit on a client's website as a chat widget and have real conversations with visitors, and AI agents for Instagram DMs and Facebook messages. So, leads coming in from social media get responded to instantly, even at 2 in the morning. We are going to focus on the AI voice agent today because it is the most impressive to demo to a client. When you show this to a business owner, their phone being answered by AI that sounds human, qualifies the lead, and books the appointment, that's when they say, "Where do I sign?" I'll put my 30 days extended GoHighLevel trial link in the description that also has a bootcamp that gives you everything that you need to know about GoHighLevel, and it gives you extra time beyond the standard trial to get set up properly. So what you are actually selling? I want to be really clear about something because I think this is where a lot of people get confused. You are not selling software. You are not selling technology. You are selling outcomes. So when you sit across a salon owner or a restaurant owner or a home services owner and say, "I can make sure every missed call gets followed up automatically, every lead gets a response within 60 seconds, and your appointment calendar fills itself," that owner doesn't care what software powers it. They care about the result. The AI voice agent, the chat widget, the automation. Those are the mechanisms. The outcome is more bookings, less revenue, less missed revenue, less time wasted on admin. And that is why $299 a month is actually an easy sell. If a salon is booking even 2 or 3 extra appointments a month because leads stop falling through the cracks, the system has paid for itself 5 times over. And if you bundle this with a few other automations like review generation, lead follow-up sequences, appointment reminders, you can very easily charge $499 to $997 a month for a complete AI system. And that's exactly what I teach inside the AI agency made easy, the GoHighLevel agency model. Now here is a part that makes this really powerful for building a business. GoHighLevel lets you white label the entire platform. You connect your own logo, your own domain, your own payment processor. Your clients never see GoHighLevel. They see your brand. So you could call your agency EvolvxAI or SmartBizAI or whatever brand you are building, and your clients log into your platform, pay you directly, and you keep the best part, 100% of the revenue. Now the software costs $297 a month for unlimited client accounts. Yes, unlimited. So whether you have 5 clients or 500 clients, your cost stays the same. Now, do the quick math. 10 clients at $299 each is $2,990 a month minus $297 for the software. That's $2,693 in profit every single month from one simple system you built once. Now scale to 30 clients and you are at nearly $9,000 a month in pure profit. And that's what this model looks like when you work it consistently. So here is exactly what I want you to do after this video. First, grab the 30 days GoHighLevel free trial from the link in the description. The extended trial gives you enough time to actually set this up and get your first demo ready before you ever spend a dirham. Second, if you want me to walk you through the complete system, how to find clients, how to price your packages, how to handle the sales conversations, how to deliver everything without burning out, that's what AI Agency Made Easy is built for. Over 80,000 students have gone through my trainings. The link is in the description once again. And third, pick one niche. One, salons, dental clinics, real estate agents, whatever makes sense for your network and your city. Build a system for that niche. Get your first client and then use that result to get the next one. You don't need to be technical. You don't need a big social media following. You don't need to be an AI expert. You need to solve a real problem for a real business and show up consistently. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great and a wonderful day.